sunshine all around. Muscovy ducklings, joy is found. Watermelon treats, a happy sight. Soft chirps fill the air in delight. Peas galore and watermelon too. Muscovy ducklings loving life anew. Splashing and playing without a care. Happy times with feathers to share. Peas disappearing like magic in air. Muscovy ducklings without a single care. Watermelon juice dripping from their beaks. Gentle squeaks with happy shrieks. Peas galore and watermelon too. Muscovy ducklings loving life anew. Splashing and playing without a care. Happy times with feathers to share. Growing strong and healthy too. Muscovy ducklings with feathers anew. Shining bright in the sun's warm light. Delightful days, a pure delight. Day is done, time to settle in. Muscovy ducklings snuggled up within their cozy duck house, warm and tight. Soft murmurs as they drift to sleep tonight. Dreaming sweet